up in this video, this is part 2 of my Pornstar Martini kind of series, mini-series that I'm doing on my channel. I'm going to deep dive into seeing which is the best vodka, and I've got vanilla vodkas here now that you can make your Pornstar Martini with. I've always gone plain vodka. I'll explain why straight after this. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits. Right, as I mentioned at the top, this is part 2 of my Pornstar Martini mini-series. In the first video, I showed you my updated recipe for 2020. Actually, I started rocking this out in mid 2019, so I'll whack a link hopefully up there if I remember to, and you can go and check that video out. This video we're going to see now, I've got a mini series. I'm going to kind of deep dive into whether we can make that my tried and tested Pornstar Martini recipe any better. So this video is dedicated to vanilla vodka. I've always used a normal plain vodka because even though the Pornstar Martini has been the most popular cocktail in the UK for 2 years at least, it's been really hard to get vanilla vodka on the high street. However, certain brands are coming through now, and in this day and age, Amazon Prime, you can get a lot next day delivery at a decent price. In the next video, I'm going to dedicate to a vanilla syrup to see whether we can get any different flavors coming off vanilla sugars. And then in the fourth video that we're going to do, I'm going to test out different passion fruit purees. So then let's crack on. Right, as I say, my original recipe that I made, that Pornstar, this is blooming delicious by the way, cheers. Oh, it's so good, so good. I make it with plain traditional vodka because I do a lot of cocktail masterclasses, hen parties, corporate events. I love teaching people how to make drinks for themselves at home, and up until really recently you can't get a decent vanilla vodka in the UK, so I've always taught with plain vodka. However, I've got 5, I think that's it, yeah, they're all syrups there now. I've got 5 different vanilla vodka brands here. Does this make any difference to the finished cocktail? So we're going to try each of these in turn. Some of these will need no introduction. I'm going to actually start off with their Cariel, which might actually need a bit of an intro. This is Doug's original vodka, vanilla vodka for the Pornstar Martini. When he created this, 2003, 2005, when he created this was the vodka that he used. And I guarantee it to 90% of you probably watching this video, you'll have never ever heard of it. It's a Swedish vodka, but in the UK, it just disappeared. Legend has it, this is the vodka with the biggest amount of vanilla that comes through. So let's have a little try. Wow, on the nose, boom, that hits you straight away on the nose. That is really vanilla-y on the nose. All of these vodkas, incidentally, are under £20 a bottle, or should be. Okay, you shouldn't be paying any more than that. Big. It's kind of got that vodka kick after it, but big, bold vanilla notes. That is really, really lovely. It's I think it might have a little sort of sweet edge to it. Right, let's go down. Let's go this way now. Absolut. This is probably, for most of you, the go-to vanilla vodka. This would be the one that you can get easily. I've just started seeing this coming out in supermarkets again. Why they stopped, I have no idea. Passoa, every single supermarket sells it. For some unknown reason, I don't understand why vanilla vodka has not been readily available. Yep, slight vanilla forward. Not as punchy as Cariel by any stretch of the imagination, but has got a healthy vanilla note to it. As vanilla forward, Cariel absolutely smashes that. Right, Smirnoff. Let's go for Smirnoff. Incidentally, Cariel is 37.5. Yeah, 37.5% ABV. Absolut should be 40, and it is. Smirnoff, we know, is going to be 37, and unless it's 35. Where's the ABV? 37.5% for the Smirnoff. I've not seen this in the supermarket for ages. Don't get much vanilla off it, actually, to be fair. Cash and carries, online, Amazon. The nose, there's not much vanilla there at all. Oh, definitely vanilla on the taste. Not much on the nose. Easier to drink than Cariel. But for me, Cariel just kind of edges it on vanilla notes. Okay, so that's the three. Stoli. I've got a big love of Stoli. Haven't had their vanilla, I used to love their raspberry one. Again, same, there's subtle vanilla notes, not as big and bold and punchy as Cariel. Subtle vanilla there. Where are we? 37.5% ABV on that one as well. Easy to get hold of online because it's Stoli. Stoli is one of the premium vodkas on the market these days. Really easy to drink neat, super smooth going down. Subtle hint of vanilla on there. If this is going to make any difference to the final cocktail, then again, I think it is that one. It's not. I'd actually put that in second place, to be fair. I'd actually put that in second place purely because it's really easy to drink. The vanilla's there and it's super smooth going down. You haven't got the kind of vodka-y burn as you got off those two. The last one, I haven't capped this yet. I'm excited to try this one. This is JJ Whitley. JJ Whitley is obviously the little, I don't know what you want to call him, little brother, little sister to Whitley Neal gins. It's owned by Halewood. And they've, JJ Whitley or Halewoods, whatever you want to say, have just started to make a big movement now in the supermarkets. They've got their rhubarb vodka in Tesco's, raspberry vodka in Tesco's and Sainsbury's. I don't know about Morrison's and Asda and all those kind of things. This is brand spanking new. It's been out about a month or so. The one thing we know about Halewoods, about Whitley Neal, about Dead Man's Fingers, about JJ, is we know they know how to flavour stuff up. So I'm really excited to try this. Probably the cheapest one on the market here. It's a 38%. Not getting much off the nose. Let's see what it is. Neat. Actually, it opens out a bit in the glass. Jesus. Wow. Okay. Wow. Vanilla forward notes. Hands down. Wow. That, oh, Jesus. That's actually kind of surprised me. I thought, because I know the love of Cariel vodka, I actually thought that was going to be it. That's why I put it there, to be honest. That has got that sort of vodka edge to it. This is just super smooth. This is, and I have got a lot of love for Whitley Neal. People might think they're actually paying me to say this. They're really not, I promise you. Wow, that is, you get the vodka bite, it's 38%. You get the vanilla, punchiness from the vanilla. That is just super smooth. Maybe a touch sweeter. That wins. That wins for that, hands down. I was going to do a sort of taste test in the Pornstar Martini with all of them. I should do, but that would take too long for this video. So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to use this in the final video, video 5. I'm now going to use that with my favourite puree, my favourite vanilla syrup, to see how that compares. Head and shoulders above Absolut. For our Pornstar Martini on video 5, this is what we're going to be rocking out. We're going to be rocking out JJ Whitley's Vanilla Vodka. In the very next video, I'm going to be taste testing. I'm going to get high on vanilla sugar.